Hello everyone, today we're working outside the studio. Today I'm going to show you how to fill a large basket with beautiful potted tulips and daffodils. If you have any questions, you know where to reach me. Check the description box for more information. This is one of my larger baskets and I'm so thrilled to fill it with these beautiful flowers. I'm going to start with the larger pots of tulips and then I will do the daffodils. I have already placed a liner at the bottom of the basket to protect the basket. And since the basket isn't totally flat on the bottom, I will have to adjust the pots so that they will fit in there tightly. It is important to secure the pots and also to adjust any of the plants so that they look their best. Here is the finished basket with the lovely flowers in it. I'm so thrilled and excited. Now I could put some Spanish moss around the pots so that you wouldn't see the pots that are in the basket, but you can see from a distance that it's really very difficult to see the pots inside, so I've decided not to do that. Isn't this basket lovely, filled with these beautiful potted tulips and daffodils? They look so wonderful and lovely in the gardens. It brings some brightness and the touch of spring in the gardens. I'm so happy with this. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you again next time. Let me know what you all think of this project in the gardens. In the meantime, again, check the description below and subscribe and give us a thumbs up for more of our house and gardens. Have a great day. Check out more of our latest videos.